Hi, I'm Luke with Conequip Parts, and today I want to give a PSA about hydraulic pumps. There's a lot of reasons that a hydraulic pump can fail, but did you know that fluid contamination accounts for 70 to 90% of all pump failures? So where does this contamination come from? You're obviously going to have regular wear and tear over time. As components continue to operate, over time they are just going to wear and tear, and there's going to be metallic particles that actually enter your fluid. Dirt, sand, and dust can enter through faulty seals, worn out breather caps, or just open ports during maintenance. You also have water contamination where humidity can leak in through seals and cause oil oxidation, which will cause rust. Your new oil can be contaminated too, so the oil that comes in the drums are often not clean enough to go directly into a hydraulic system, believe it or not. And then there's obviously just user error when it comes to maintenance. So if you're using dirty tools or not cleaning the hoses properly, that's going to allow contaminants to enter the oil. So to avoid complete failure, it is of the utmost importance that you are regularly maintaining and ensuring that all of these parts remain as clean as possible. So perform regular oil analysis to detect contaminants before they cause extreme damage, and also periodically flush the system, especially after a component failure. So do your best to elongate the life of your pump because, let's be honest, pumps aren't cheap. But if you have an old, broken, and lazy pump, then it might be time for a brand new one from Conequip Parts. So give us a call at the number on the screen to experience a world of parts with a personal touch.